I'm going to share to all of you about how to make open curved door. First of all, we have to make the any size of box, and then we have to click this plane. Then we have to push it up approximately just like this. Okay, then we can triple click, and we can set the curve. We can right click and make group, and then we can select a curve 2 point arc and click from this position to this position, and then we can type 64s, enter, click. Then we can triple click, offset it outside or offset it inside. Then click for any size. Then can click this one. Can click this one, and then we can push it to the another position, approximately just like this. Triple click, right click, and make group. And then we can make the another object by click this plane. Then we can select edit, copy. Then we can exit from the group. Then we paste in place and push it to the another position. Triple click, right click, and make group. And then we can delete this one by erase. Then we can select move, press Control, and then place on this position. And we can make the another another shape on this area. Maybe we can use the circle or rectangle. Maybe okay, we can use this one, or maybe we can use this circle only. Okay, we click in this position. Sorry, we can use this circle, and we can direct the pointer right over there. Then we can click this one. Okay, okay, I'm sorry, delete. And maybe we can use the another shape only with using a rectangle. Then we can push it to the another position. Okay, triple click, right click, and make group, and then we can click this one. Then we can select a rotate, and then we can hold until the green axis. Then we can rotate this one. So this is about the open curved door in SketchUp. And so you can make the another material with using the wood element. Okay, this one. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.